Docs365 Merge is an add-on for Google Docs that allows you to do mail merge using docs and data in Google Sheets. First I will cover the basic UI. The sidebar here has 4 different feature sets or zones. This is the sending, where you can work with email lists. Those are spreadsheets containing your emails. You have, for a selected email list, you will see the recipients here. You can work with variables to have mail templates working for different scenarios, and this is the actual merge and send pane. Okay, let's send a few emails. So you go to your email lists. You might have no list here. Then you go up here and say create email list, and this will create a new spreadsheet for you. So let's open one of my spreadsheets here. Opening Google Docs, and as you can see here, this is a regular Google Sheets spreadsheet where I have different kinds of cells. So I have a cell saying comment. That means the merge add-on will not treat this as data. Here I have a section with variables. I have a variable called company name set to Docs365. I have a variable called my signature set to Bjorn. I have a subject, and I can actually also enter carbon copy and blind carbon copy email addresses here. This section here is the basic data for doing the mail merge. I have 3 columns: email, first name and last name. And email is of course the important one. It's just the one that's going to be used when sending the email. But I can also specify first name, last name. I can add other columns here to use in my emails. So when I have an email list, to use it, I click on the email list and say use this list. This will open up the recipients pane here, where I can see all the recipients in that spreadsheet. I can look at all the variables that are defined in that email list, and there are also quite a lot of different system variables like dates, time, in different formats. Let's just go look at user defined here. So as you can see here to the left in my email, I am using a number of variables. I'm using the date in the ISO format. I'm using the first name variable, and I'm using my signature and my company name. And I'm using the email down here. Okay, so this is now the email template that we're gonna merge with the data in the next section. Okay, sending emails can be done in 2 ways. You can, if you just want to do a test email, you can select a recipient and click send, and this will just send the email to that recipient. Or you can click preview email and then you will see how the email actually will look like. You can see I have the variable first name here, the date is formatted, my signature is down here, and the company name is down here. When you want to send, ready to send to the whole list, you go to the merge and send pane, where you fill in the subject. You can fill in carbon copy and blind carbon copy. From here you can also preview the email and also reload the list if you have edited the spreadsheet. And then I'm ready. I'm just say send, and I send to all recipients, and this will send to all emails, and I get some little bit of log here. And that's it. Docs365 Merge.